Welcome to the Highway 360. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Data Pump Access Drive to export the data out of Oracle database and re-import it back later on. On my last video I have discussed about creating directory in Oracle using these statements here. Okay. Again, what it does is that it's only telling Oracle to create directory named Data Pump pointing to this directory. Now this directory again has to exist and you must have access permission to it. Now to create an external table for export is a lot simpler compared to when we're using Oracle loader type. Now to do that, all you have to do is to create a table, give it a name and specify that is organization external, and specify these parameters. You need to set the type to Oracle Data Pump, okay, and set the default directory and the name of the file that you want to call it in the location parameter, and then you get the source from the table that we created from the last video, which is called the permanent table. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, you say exported, created. Let's have a look at the directory. Now we can see that the file. Let's see the file. Okay, this is in Oracle proprietary format. It's really for using Data Pump facility to load the data back. So let's have a look here. Now to load the data back, whether it's the same database or different database, all you have to do is a little bit like using the Oracle loader. You need to specify the name of the table, name of the fields, and the data type. Now the name of the field has to be the same as the source table where you dump out from. In this case I just put a what in front of all the others, make and model and so on. So okay, again this is exactly the same as here. Okay, now let's run it. Create it. Let's refresh. Okay, say created. Let's have a look. 711. And let's look at the data. Okay, you have all the data like the permanent table. Okay, right. Again, if you want to keep the data reloaded back, this is only like creating an external table. So you can create another permanent table and reload the data back if you like. Okay, again, why would you like to use this facility? Well, as I said earlier on, you can re-import the data back in the same database or different database. So this is very useful. If you've got a set of data you want to transfer to a different database, so you can dump all the data out and then you can copy to your server using whatever facility that you got, maybe FTP or maybe some kind of like SCP or whatever facility you got, and copy to a remote server and make use of it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Bye.